Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter 2 grammar, and that is words. Spoken and written words are made of letters and have meanings. So, a word is a speech sound or a combination of sound or its representation in writing that symbolize and communicate a meaning. Look at these pictures, read their names aloud. So children, by looking the picture, we have to read their names. So let's read. Dog, moon, cup, bat, keys, ring. Dog, moon, cup, bat, keys and ring are words. So children, these are words. Okay. The letter A is both a letter and a word. For example, a girl is eating a mango. So you can see here a letter A is both a letter and a word. Similarly, the letter I is both a letter and a word. For example, I like ice cream. So you can see here the letter I and a word. Hope so everyone got it. So we'll move to the next now. Most words contain at least one vowel. For example, bat, lock, cup, cot, boy, girl, eat, run, bed, fan, play, milk. So children, as we have already learned the vowels in chapter 1, I hope so you might remember. So you can see these words contain vowels. The red line letter are vowels. So there are many more words that contain at least one vowels. Make as many meaningful words as you can using the letter of the word earthquake. One word is made for you. So children, you have to make the meaningful words by using the letter from the word given, earthquake. So you can see here the example. Number 1 is eat. So here is the first letter E. So E started with the word eat. E-A-T, eat. Then next A. So A-R-E-A, area. So children, in this way you have to make the meaningful words from the word earthquake. I hope so everyone have understood. So now let's read chapter number 3, page number 5, and that is alphabetical order. So as we have already learned in chapter 1 alphabetical order. So now in this chapter let's learn more about the alphabetical order. Okay. In the dictionary, words are arranged in alphabetical order. So children, first of all we'll know what is mean of dictionary. So do you know what it means? Okay. So a dictionary is a book that has the list of words and their meanings, and in dictionary words are arranged in alphabetical order. Words that begin with the letter A and come before words that begin with the letter B, and so on. So children, in dictionary you will find the first letter A, then comes words then begin with the letter B, C, D, H, G, H, I, J, K till Z. For example, you can see here the example given. The first letter A and the words, then come B and the words, then C and the words, D and the words, E and the words. So in this way, in dictionary you will find the words arranged in alphabetical order. So children, here it is given only few words to make us understand about, but there are thousands and thousands of words you will find with A till Z written in alphabetical order. So you can find any meanings that we don't know, you can find in the dictionary by finding in alphabetical order. I hope so everyone have understood. So next, Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. So children, these are the words given, so we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. So first it is given C, so you have to find here the C words and you have to write. Then G, H, I, L, M, P. So you have to find the words from this and you have to write here. I hope so you got it. Arrange the letters in each of these words in alphabetical order. So these words we have to arrange in alphabetical order. So drum, D M R U. So A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U. The next is pencil. So here A B C D. So C come first, then C D E, then F G H I J K L M N, then at the end P. So in this way you have to arrange these words in alphabetical order. I hope so everyone have understood. So this is your homework, so complete this and remember it. So then thank you.